friends. In this video, I want to talk to my single friends. Well, not really single. Well, you're single, but you're not mingling because you're actually in a committed relationship. How do you actually plan for single coupled people? My name is Megan Truick, and I'm here with the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where I help people like you draft their estate plan every day. Everyone, we're all unique. The planning that I do for a married couple, I would not do for a single couple. The planning that I do for a couple who are living together but are unmarried would be different than what I would do for a single person who is not married, not living with another person. And so what I want you to understand and what I want you to take on is the fact that we're all individuals. So please don't treat your estate planning like how you treat your McDonald's burger. Everything needs to be customized, and you can't just use the same thing that everyone else uses, okay? Let's not treat your estate planning like a drive-through. So let's talk about planning for single coupled people. So people who are in a relationship, but you're not married. First of all, if you live in the great state of Texas and you are not officially married, but your partner calls you spouse, calls you wife, calls you husband, be very careful, because in the state of Texas, we have common law marriages. And so if your partner is calling you spouse, calling you wife, calling you husband, and you do not intend to be married to that person, and you do not intend to hold yourself out as being married, you need to nip that one in the bud. Because what will happen is if you pass away, that person can claim that they're your spouse. And the assets that you have accumulated during the relationship will be considered community property. And that person could inherit your entire estate. I know. So if you want to stop that today. But let's now plan for people who have an estate plan, who are not considered married. Even if it's not official, you're not considered common law spouse, you're just in a committed relationship with someone else. How do you plan for that? Well, I like to approach planning in that situation by designating things as separate property. And please, don't just take everything I'm saying today as legal advice for you. Please talk to your estate planning attorney to make sure that you're getting advice that is uniquely situated and uniquely crafted for you. But in general, if you are in a relationship and you're acquiring property, you're buying houses, you're getting a bank account, you name it, you're titling things, make sure that you are incorporating things that flags your property as your separate property, so that there is no confusion that you're getting this asset and you want to be considered married, and so this is now community property. You got to be very careful. And when you speak to a experienced estate planning attorney, they will make sure that those designations are properly made in your estate planning tools. One thing that I want to drop here for you is this nugget that people do not know. You can actually use a revocable trust a lot like a prenuptial agreement. Yes. For more helpful tips like this, or to talk about how to incorporate these things in your estate plan and how to make sure that you're not considered married when you actually aren't married, please talk to an estate planning attorney. If you want to speak to someone from our firm, you can see us at www.brian.fagan.com/estate planning. You can follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube. We're everywhere. My name again is Megan Truick. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead, click, share, subscribe. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.